Today, I'll show you how to create your first repository on GitHub. A repository, often called a repo, is where your project files live. It can contain code, documentation, images, configuration files, and the full history of changes made to the project. First, open GitHub in your browser. Log into your GitHub account. Once you are on the dashboard, look in the top right corner and click the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, choose New Repository. Now enter a repository name. For example, you can name it My-First-Project, Portfolio-Website, or Test-Repo. Try to use a short and clear name, with no spaces. Next, add a description if you want. This is optional, but it helps explain what the project is about. Now choose whether the repository should be public or private. A public repository can be seen by anyone. A private repository can only be seen by you and the people you invite. For beginners, private is useful for practice, while public is good if you want to share your work. Next, you can check Add a README file. A README is a simple introduction page for your project. It usually explains what the project does, how to use it, and any important setup instructions. You can also choose a .gitignore template if your project uses a specific language, such as Python, Node.js, or Java. If you are not sure, you can leave it blank for now. You may also add a license if you want others to use or contribute to your code. After reviewing everything, click Create Repository. GitHub will now create your new repository. From here, you can upload files, create new files, clone the repo to your computer, or connect it to Visual Studio Code. And that's it. You've successfully created your first repository on GitHub. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.